The foundational principles and concepts of Workshop Way speak to educators today, just as they had when Grace H. Pilon spoke them. What has rapidly changed in the years since Sister Grace developed and refined Workshop Way's foundations and structures is the means of transferring the treasures that Sister left as her legacy. You may have noticed that nearly all of Workshop Way's published materials and resources are now available as downloads. Training and information can be viewed anytime with on-demand videos. And reduced prices have made these treasures accessible to individual teachers. So as we continue to share the wisdom of Sister Grace Pilon and her system of growth for education, we are going to start the year with an infographic created to demonstrate how Workshop Way can be implemented over time. This gem was created by Tammy Huggins, Workshop Way educator, consultant, editor, product developer, and customer advisor. Educators are challenged to build a classroom where everyone is accepted and respected. Just imagine if every teacher used the teacher artistry techniques with students of all ages. What might that do for the classroom culture? The only cost is learning and implementing these techniques. Building a physical environment in a classroom, using the workshop schedule of tasks doesn't involve wood, hammers, or nails. It takes time, paper, printer, and sometimes scissors. The Workshop Way grade-level handbooks greatly aid in this construction. Even in a classroom where content instruction is scripted, Workshop Way's vocabulary homework, strategy grouping, and whole group lesson create the instructional framework for the classroom. The teacher-student content relationship is developed through positive interactions. With Workshop Way, the intentional incorporation and integration of the social, physical, and intellectual environments create the climate for growth. Last year we presented a series of videos and downloaded documents on teacher artistry on our YouTube channel. This year we will provide more videos and download documents. We hope that you will share these with your colleagues. These Workshop Way gems are too valuable to hide them away in a closet. Thank you, Tammy, and thank you for watching.